Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and today we're putting a new color on the RS7. It's got an avalanche gray base, and there's Gabe. He doesn't have a base on him. So what we're gonna do is use a color today that I don't think any of you guys know exists. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Enjoy the video. So let me show you what we're working with. This gallon right here may look like a regular gallon of Plasti Dip spray, but it's not. This is actually a gallon of Tintable Base. Tintable Base is a gallon of Plasti Dip spray, basically the exact same as what you would use with any other color like black or gray or blue, but it has no color at all. So what in the world would you do with a gallon of Tintable Base? Well, obviously, you would use our tints to make your own custom colors. Now here's the secret. There are a bunch of colors that we offer in Pro Tints that we don't offer in Plasti Dip spray gallons. One of those colors is this one, grass green. And I think most of you guys, if not all of you, have never even seen grass green before. Why do I say that? Because I ran a report before we filmed this video to see how many grass green tints we sell, and it's very, very few. Is that report accurate? Probably. So what we're gonna do is use a grass green base on the RS7, and then what we were thinking is a low pigment load of a pearl that would complement the grass green base. Gabe suggested ZTL Hypershift, which is kind of a gold to green Hypershift. We're gonna do that in 5 gram per gallon load. I think this is gonna come out sweet. Let's go. All right, guys, we are done with the car. Now, sometimes we will finish a car and I will genuinely be pretty depressed because the car will look so good. The color and finish will be just so right on point that I'll wish that we've done it on one of my personal daily drivers. This is definitely one of those colors. I absolutely love it. Gabe hit the nail on the head with ZTL. It's the perfect pearl at the perfect pigment load. I'm so excited to get it outside so we can show you. Now, if you want to play around with the tints and the Tintable Base Gallons, because I know a lot of you guys will, I put links in the description box below. You guys can check those out. If you want to dip your car with a ready-to-spray car kit, we have a ton of them, and a lot of them are very user-friendly. Click right up here. It'll bring you to our car kits. Let's go outside, check out the car. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Again, we're on that final road to 1 million, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a minute to do so. It's Fonzie. I will see you guys on the next video. Of Tintable Base. That means it's everything that's supposed to be in Plasti Dip spray except color. Now we have these on the website in one of the collections. I think I was there for 7 hours. It was all day. But I guess with TV, you just put the time in, get it right, you know? Like they want to have options. Forgot what I was gonna say.